How do? How do? How do? Hey, hey. How do? How is everybody on this glorious day in the UK? Where that came from. Right, today I'm going to be putting another decal on back at van. I'm making these, so if anybody wants one, I'll put a link in the description. Knocking them out at $14.99. Got myself a new website now, motorhomedecals.com. Right, anyway, that's what I'm doing. Quite a large one. Yeah, my hand is quite big. I forget what it is now, 28 centimetres I think. Is it 28 inch? No, it can't be 28 inch, can it? Can it? I forgot. I'll let you know that anyway. Right, yeah, so that is going here. Obviously I can't put it anywhere else because of windows, etc. But it's going there. The wings are going to be there where Ed is. Yeah, just head's going to be about there, and wings going here. About as central as well, that's going to be central, isn't it? I hope. I should think. Right, what do you need for doing this job? I'm letting you know how to do it because I've sold a few decals and they're quite big ones, the stripes, and the easiest way is to tape them up. There's a couple of customers who have messed up. Yeah, when they've got them on, they're not level. I sold some of the topic ones and they're having the same problems there, so this is just, it's for my blog obviously, but it's just as a guide as well. I'll probably mess up now, won't I? Right, so I'll oh, what you have to do anyway, forgot. Get your decal. Right, you need some tape, either a credit card or something like this. Right, what you need to be doing is getting the decal, because there, like, it goes like that, you know what I mean? So just to make sure that the decal goes onto the transfer paper. The transfer paper is this thin one on top there. I've actually messed up with this. I don't know if you can see or not. There's like creases there, you know, the transfer paper. Obviously if I was selling one I wouldn't send it out like that, but I'm going to give it a go. Right, so you're going to need this as well for when you put it on. Right, what I do, get a little bit of tape like that. Or a lot of tape. Breezy today. just a case now of trying to get it by, you know, the level. So just stand back, have a look, and that's way off. No, I'd say that's okay. What I'm going to do, it's hard to explain really. I'll just do it and then you'll catch on. Like that. You need to be getting, oops, wrong way. When you pull the top layer off, you want to be pulling the decal off with it as well. Right. Right, what I do, get so far, get this, you know, the backing paper, fold it underneath, and go back. Now this is where your scraper comes in again. Yeah? Right. Where you folded it under, pull it back a bit more. Like all sorts of stuff like this, just take your time, you know, there's no rush. Hold it back nice and steady, make sure that all the bits right, because I'm going round this, I really need to cut that there, and then it'll go in there, right, so I'll just get a knife. Right, what you do now is put this to a, I think 90 degrees, is it? Maybe 10-15 degree angle. You're pulling away. You're pulling away the transfer there and leaving behind the decal. Right, I need 2 hands for this really. If you do get to a point where it won't come off the transfer tape, and just go back and give it a bit of a rub. Rub-a-dub-dub. Right, this is where it'll get to. Now just got all your little bits. Which were alright. I've got a bit there, look, and I don't know what's happened. Right, there's a little piece there, look, can you see? That there. And I don't know whether, in fact, it's underneath the others. Only thing I can do is try and take that off, and peel it back up. It's supposed to be there. These things happen, you know. Right, so I'll attempt that. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it. If not, I'll just cut them, take them away. In fact, I might do that anyway. Right, that's not working. Right, done. I've just been in to have a look at the picture because it looks like it's on a tilt, but it's not. What it is, as you're looking at it, the left wing is actually lower than the right wing, which it's just how it is, you know. Right. There we go. That's rather cool. But that wing, don't like it. It looks nice, but if I twisted it, you know, if I brought this wing down and to that up so it were level, then the feet would be that way. So really it's down to the actual design that I've used to cut it to actually make the decal. Anyway, it is, isn't it? It's higher. That is wider than that. And it's right, isn't it? Yeah, sorted. Right. Like I say, I'll put a description, a link in the description. There's loads more. You know, like when eagles coming down, it's like catch its prey. There's loads of them, but they've got some of those as well. They're not dear. All includes shipping, next day delivery, where possible. So there we have it. It's a gorgeous day, isn't it? Going away this weekend. Well, we're going away Thursday till Monday to Haworth for the 1940s weekend. Yeah, quite looking forward to that. I'm going to take camera this time. I'm going to do a bit of filming. Yeah, get back on track with the YouTube channel for all you lovely people in the world. Right, thanks very much for watching. Ta-ta for now. TTFN.